Guys, welcome back to the vlogs. Today is literally Friday and I'm sitting in the cafe right now trying to edit the vlog to get it out for you guys, because last week's vlog, we'll call it last week's vlog, has been late, which you guys would have known from like the vlog that I'm editing right now. Let's see what much it. But yeah, so I'm editing that now to send out to post today. And I wanted to do a little weekend vlog for you guys. In here is kind of noisy, so I hope you guys can hear me. But yeah, because I don't know if I'll be getting up too much this weekend, but I'm hoping that I'll be getting up too much this weekend. So I wanted to start the vlog today so that you guys, I could take you guys along with me this weekend and just see what I get up to. I know I'm gonna be going to the movies tomorrow at least, and possibly out tonight, but I'm not sure. So we'll see. I hope you guys enjoy the vlog. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new here. Leave a like, and yeah. So we are, the lighting is so bad. So bad. Didn't these have like things inside? Did they move? No, I think they're down there. So. Yeah, that's it. No, they're not them that right there, so. Who? Ashley? When she tell you that? Oh. Anyways, guys, we're at the movies in the movie theater in Portmore. I literally went to the movie yesterday, as you guys would have seen like a little sneak peek of that, to watch the Sugar Augusty concert at Carib in Kingston, and then we're back at the movies again, this time in Portmore, to watch the Bob Marley movie. Finally, we've been wanting to watch it for so long, but I feel like now is the best time to come because the theater is empty today, and it's been in the theater so long that it won't be packed, which is nice. came out of the Bob Marley movie. Truly iconic. Truly iconic. So good. I'm glad that we got to watch it before it came out of theaters though, because I really wanted to see it, but I didn't want to go like while it was still crowded and stuff. But the movie was so good. It was so well executed, I think. And if you still have a chance to see it, you should go and see it if it's still like in theaters around you. Also love the fact that like they kept it in the movie theaters for so long here in Jamaica. Like I don't know, I don't think it's the same in other countries, because I know that when the movie was released, it was literally only showing for I think 1 day or something, like I don't remember. But I assume that other countries extend it as well, because I don't know if you guys know Bretman Rock, but I literally watched Bretman Rock's story a couple of days ago, and I think he said that he saw it recently, and I think he saw it in the theaters. I assume that it's, I don't know, I could be wrong, but I love the fact that it's still showing here in Jamaica, and it's been showing for ever since the premiere until now, which is pretty iconic too, if I must say so myself. But the movie was so good. Like I'm such a Bob Marley fan. Like a lot of you guys probably don't know this, but I am such a Bob Marley fan. So getting to see the movie and kind of just learning a lot more about him and like his personality and his quirks and things like that, and kind of seeing like a little bit of backstory with what really happened back then. It was nice, because I mean, I for one don't really know the full story about like what was happening back then, and I know it was like a very touchy time in Jamaican history as well, and I didn't even know that he brought on the two political parties on the stage at the concert, which is so iconic. If you're an American and you've seen the movie, or you don't even understand the significance of that, but it's like it's huge, because it's two political parties, and they were like, there was a war going on in the country, because politics is still very touchy in Jamaica. It's a very touchy subject here, but we are nowhere as violent as we used to be. Even like maybe 15 years ago, politics was still something that caused people to be like very violent, right, here on the island. But no, it's no longer that. But the iconicness of him literally like bringing two political parties together, and the fact that he's a Rastafarian is huge, because back then, if you watch the movie, they mentioned it in the movie about like the touchiness of like how it was back then, and Rastas were looked down on a lot in society. They were treated very poorly in Jamaica, and a lot of people don't know that. A lot of foreigners don't know that, but Rastafarianism was just not something that was positive. It wasn't seen as a positive thing back then, you know. So Bob being Rastafarianism, Bob singing reggae music, which is music from Rastafarianism, and then bringing the two political parties together. Yeah, him bringing them together, and then also singing reggae music. Iconic shit. It's iconic. Mom, you wanted to say something to me? Yeah. You were, huh? I know. You're gonna say something? What did you get? She's getting gelato. Gelato. Oh, the coffee. Oh, the cup is edible, I think. The cup is edible. It's like a waffle cone cup thing. Yeah. But truly iconic, guys. So I'm glad that I got to see it. And I know mommy wanted to see it, so that's why I was saying to her. Because I went to the movies and I was like, girl, when are we going to go watch Bob Marley? Yesterday. And she was like, oh, let's go tomorrow. I was like, okay. So finally. But anyways. Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. It's Saturday, and you know, or you just at the errands. We are at Discount Beauty right now, and mom's trying to get some hair products. Honestly, I need some too, but I don't know what to get, to be honest. But I do need to get some new natural hair products, especially moisturizer. If you're a natural hair girly, comment below and let me know like what products you use in your hair. I'm looking for Rex. Sure. Thank you. Hey guys, we're in Kingston today. It is Sunday and I'm going to a Heineken F1 viewing party. Is this closed? Is this door closed? I feel like it is. I'm probably gonna have to walk around. I'm sorry. Yeah, so F1 viewing event. I'm very late, but I did already start watching the race, so it's fine. I'll be fine. So apparently I'm like walking back and forth. I'm so annoyed, but I was using the incorrect entrance, but I got some info and I'm here. They said look for the cars. Hey guys, the light is so good, but I'm just leaving AC Hotel. She left with a Heineken, of course, because I mean, why not get juiced up before we go to another event, right? You know, if you're already juiced up, you don't need to spend, right? Exactly. And this was free. But the F1 event that Heineken had was so good. I was saying to everybody how good it was, and like other people were talking about it. I wasn't expecting it to be like this big of an event. I don't remember if I had like posted the last one that they had in a vlog some time ago. I think I did, or probably mentioned it, but some time ago they had like a thing at AC, but they were keeping it on the outdoors, and I had to end up going to Tracks and Records to watch it there. I think I posted it in a vlog, about it in a vlog. So I was not expecting much from this event, but it was huge, and you guys would have seen like how big it was. The crowd was big. It was a really nice, and if I knew it was going to be this good, I would have gone from earlier, to be honest. Instead of starting watching it from home and then going, I would have gone from the beginning of the race, because I would have had a grand time. I hope they do another one, and if they do another one, I'll be there very early. They had food as well, but I didn't eat, because by the time the race was done and I was like done to eat, they ran out of like nachos. The food was basically themed off of like Mexican stuff, because today is Cinco de Mayo. So we got beer, because Heineken is a sponsor, it's their event, and then they were doing like nachos and tacos and things like that. So yeah, but it was so good, and I saw so many people. But it was really good, and I love how they incorporated the cars as well, because they had like ATL. I mean, ATL owns AC Hotel, but it was nice to see like the car sponsors, to see Nick Lou, who they're working with, who's like a big like motorsport like influencer in Jamaica, if you want to call him that. And then they also had like a Ferrari and everything parked up, but which I posted in the vlog earlier, but I didn't get to get more footage with it because it kind of left early, which is fine. But yeah, good event, 10 out of 10. Shout out to Heineken. But I'm heading to a birthday event now. One of my friend's daughter's birthday right now. She's turning 1, and then after that we're gonna go to the actual Cinco de Mayo celebration at Cholito's. So it's a back-to-back kind of Sunday. like, wow, like that's such a nice view.
So make it look tighter right here.
Guys, the kiddies party's over. No, it's time for the adults to roam.
I don't even feel like drinking anymore.
Oh my god. Honestly, I told you guys I was going to the party, the little birthday party. Yeah, but I didn't film anything. So, yes, I'm vlogging. I didn't film anything because, you know, they're babies. They ain't ready for the cameras, okay?
You're really in the camera 24/7.
Yeah, but that's Lori. I ain't gonna post nobody's child, you know? But now we are, I didn't even post my brother's kids at first. Won't even know that they're older. But yeah, so we're walking to Chulitos. Be careful.
What?
I think that's a shuttle, but sorry, you're too late.
Way too late.
Chulitos is up or down? It's down, right?
Yeah, are we crossing the road?
Yeah, we'll cross after this. After this.
Car.
Let's go. My phone is also dying, so God go with us on the back to life. Hear the music. Hey, hey, hey.
The way
Thank you. I don't even know if Nico is back. Like, I really don't know if he's back. Oh my god!